Hey guys, if you're wondering why I decided to record this video on Vstorm while I was in the middle of grinding, this guy has been begging for the past half an hour for a meteor shower. He's already gotten an answer. He's just gonna keep doing it. It's getting irritating. I really want him to stop. He's not gonna stop. I'm not giving him a I'm not gonna talk to him anymore. He's just watching me over while I'm grinding. Literally, the reason why I said no for him friending me. Hey, your heart is so sad because you keep bugging me. I have a headache. I died twice I died once when Coconut Crab was at 10,000 health, and I died a second time when he was really low as well. I think it was like 56,000 health. I finally defeated Coconut Crab, and he was bugging me the entire time. Trying to earn honey for Diamond Gushers. The Diamond Drenchers or whatever they're called. The 4 billion the 4 billion honey sprinklers. I bought a hive slot instead of sprinklers, so. And I'm also grinding honey for tickets, so I can buy magic beans because I'm low on those. Also, the reason why I killed Coconut Crab is because I need coconuts. So I might discard my facts on getting the gummy mask and instead getting the coconut clogs. Like, when I mean this guy literally won't leave me alone, he's been stalking me and watch overing me what I've been doing for like the past 20 minutes, and I'm not being mean. Literally, I can't even do the Mythic Meteor Shower. I did it this morning, so I can't do it. I have to wait 22 hours to do the next one. And I just said no. We've already told him no. Like, obviously this guy doesn't know what no means. And he is driving me crazy, so I started trolling this guy. I started saying I don't know what the Mythic Meteor Shower is, and then I started calling it the Mythic Meteor Shower, and he was like showing me where it was, and I brought him to Tunnel Bear saying, oh, this is the Mythic Meteor Shower, and he's like, no, it's up here, and I was like, no, it's down here. It was like, there it is, if you touch him, you'll get the Mythic Meteor Shower. Then I brought him to the Spider Cave. And I brought him into the Spider Cave saying, hey, Mythic Meteor Shower's in here. And he was like, no, and he was getting mad and stuff. And then there's this. You pinky promise what? You'll just leave the game and server hop. I had to work for my Mythic Beasts. Can you please do a Mythic Meteor Shower? I have a headache from saying that and replaying that in my head. Dude, when I go to bed tonight, that is going to stalk me in my sleep. That is how many times I'm probably going to have nightmares about this guy going, FBI, open up in my door, giving me a creepy clown smile and saying, Mythic Meteor Shower. I have a headache from school today. It was a really long day at school. Felt like I was in a mental prison, so sad. The differences between psych ward and mental hospital, apparently in a psych ward, you're isolated. In a mental hospital, you're basically isolated. In a psych ward, you're just I don't know what a psych ward's like, but you're just in a place where there's like doctors and stuff. It's basically like a livable space. Like, it's not like you need to be isolated. Like serial killers, like let's say if I went to school right now, so I'm at school. Like, let's say, this is an instance, let's say if there was a kid named John, or not John, like someone like named like Jimmy or something, and he likes wearing dresses and stuff. And at school, he'd get bullied for it really badly, like he'd be beaten up, he'd get beaten up, he'd get really hurt. And it would affect his mind, kind of. So every time someone would approach him or get near him, he'd get scared because he'd think someone would come and beat him up. So then he'd go see a doctor, I guess. I think this is what you would do. And then you would go, and then you'd go to a psych ward, then you'd get help, and you'd get better, and then whatever would happen, you'd probably stop wearing dresses after that, because you'd probably be traumatized from it. But that's life, man. People bully you, and I don't like that. It's not nice. If any bullies watching my channel, go fucking unsubscribe, you twits. Unsubscribe, you stupid twits. Because I don't support anybody who bullies people. What the hell was that? It's kind of ominous in here. I'm turning my fan on immediately. I like it better with my fan on. Yeah, there's a little bit of background noise for you guys. Oops, I kind of used a microconverter. For some reason, last time I did coconut crab, I got 2. This time I got like 8. It's not bad though. It's not bad at all. Dude, just accept the fact. I'm gonna join my private server to do the meteor shower. I joined a public server. You know, just check out. Like, I was gonna help noobs. Like, I'm recording. Just please do. I'm recording. Leave me alone, please. There, I've actually used manners this time. I've just said leave me alone. I don't want to right now. Oh no, he's still not leaving, of course. You know what, guys? I'll post more scoop. I'm obviously not gonna be left alone. It's kind of obvious. He's cussing at me now. I just wanted to make a kind of sort of quick video. I actually want to finish this. Oh, what boost? I don't have a boost anymore. Just plain farming. He's gonna say I'll give you Robux. I already got enough Robux. By the way, if you guys seen the Fortnite live event Galactus, sorry, I didn't film it. I'm so sorry, guys, that I didn't film it for you. I was busy. My phone wasn't turning on. I don't have any backup cameras. I am sorry. Hopefully in the next event that's in Fortnite, I'll film. I'm so sorry, guys. Please don't unsubscribe. Please don't be mad. I'm trying. I could not find my phone charger, and neither could I turn my phone on while it was charging. I finally found my phone. It was like 2 minutes before the event started, and it wouldn't turn on. And that's when I realized my plug wasn't working. So then I was just like, forget it. It's already like 30 seconds till the event starts. So I'm just, and besides, by the time I turn my phone on, it's already gonna have started. I just got, okay. Got what? Okay, I'm kind of excited. Got what? I'm not mad, I'm just asking what he got. What do you get? If he says the porcelain dipper, I felt the same way. I'm kind of curious to know, what did this... He left. Oh, he's new. Hello. I'll be nice to this new player. Hello. Hello. Do you need help? I actually kind of want to help this. Tell him to do a meteor shower. Do you need help? Okay, come. I'll go slow just so they can catch up. Farm honey near these gold things. Farm honey near these gold things. The sticks. The sticks. They will help. They will help. No. See? You know what? This person's really nice. She's defending me. You know what? I'm adding her. No simp, by the way. I love noobs. I love... You need to see my face. I just screamed gifted. Gifted basic? I think the gifted basic is one of the rarest bees to get, because nobody knows of its power. The only way you can get it is by a 1 in 250 chance of hatching it. I got it when I hatched it. OMG. I'm pretty sure it's it's the best bee in the game. Other side gifted event bees. I just turned in the wall. Where is she? Where is she? I need to know where she is. The bee is the best in the whole game. Don't lose that bee, okay? Don't lose that bee, okay? I need her to make a promise that she's not going to get rid of the bee, because I'm pretty sure the only way you can get it is from a star treat or from hatching it. Yeah, it's literally from... It's a really rare chance to hatch one. 250,000 chance for me. That'd be 2.5 billion honey. Please, oh, please let me do it. I made you a shower. Do it yourself. Man, this person's defending me. Like this person got really lucky. This person's defending me. No simp, by the way. A gifted, look at the stats of a gifted basic bee. 20 polish. The next star treat I get, the next star treat I get, I'm going to specifically get rid of a gifted bee and put in a gifted basic bee. You will get a lot. She has a gifted basic. That's really good. That is really good. Like, dude. I'm just gonna private chat. Nah, it's joking. I just told her if she ever needs help just to message me on Roblox, because I could give her my sprinklers. I don't mind giving up a sprinkler or two. It's always kind to help out people, because that dude would not stop begging for the past hour. I have a headache. It's 11 o'clock. I have a huge headache. I gotta wake up early tomorrow because I want to check out the new season in Fortnite. Oh wait, to new alt. I'ma hop off. Just private messenger that because I don't want this guy to know because he's gonna scream. Okay. I'm just gonna say bye. Oh my god, I have a headache. Actually, I'm gonna invite her to my private new alt 11. Make sure to add that to my private server. Servers. Configure. New alt with 2 T's and 11 at the end. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. New alt 11. New Walt 11. Knee Walt 11. Save. Is it Knee Walt 11? Yeah, Knee Walt 11. Okay, if you guys did enjoy this conflict video, I'm gonna end up doing more of these in the future. If you guys did enjoy the video, leave a comment, hit the like button. I have a huge headache from listening to that dude non-stop, over and over and over again. The Galactus event was lit. I enjoyed it a lot. I was screaming, I was swearing, I just could not stop. That's why I didn't upload it. I did stream it on Twitch, but I ended up deleting the video because, as I can tell, I just started to realize that there's it's not copy strike, not copyright, demonetization without swearing. I want to take that age rating from rated R, or like 13 plus, to like E for everyone. Like, I want to make a video that you can literally watch on YouTube Kids. I don't have YouTube Kids, but you can literally watch on that platform. So let's go to YouTube. Actually, no, I can't show anything because I will get demonetized as of So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a comment, smash like and subscribe. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I didn't. Not at all. I'm gonna go to sleep now. I have a headache. It's like 11 o'clock at night. 1 hour till the battle pass changes, and it's December 1st. So if you guys enjoy the video, tomorrow it'll be 23 days till Christmas. I got my advent calendar up. Gotta hang something on it every day. I already did it this morning. Do it tomorrow on December 25th, I think is Christmas morning. I'm gonna have a fun time. Hopefully, I can start recording videos on a Nintendo Switch. Hopefully. So if you guys enjoy the video, leave a comment, smash and subscribe. I've said that before, but peace out, guys. Peace out.